you are a single mother, you decide to get married again, you have got 2 kids or 1 child in your previous relationship, don't forget your kids, because now you got married again with other men and you are starting the new family. You have got kids with that man and you are planning things together with that man. You have to remember your kids or your child, because it's going to suffer tomorrow. So do something secretly that man doesn't not know in your kids, in your child's name, not involving those kids, because one day you can dead first and those kids, your child, your first child in your previous marriage, they don't benefit anything when you are planning things with your new husband. You are planning things, everything is in your husband's name, and maybe your new husband says, I don't want you to go to work, you have to stay at home. You have to know that you have got kids, guys. You know that women, we don't understand. Men, guys, they can pretend like they love your child when you are still alive, but when you dead first, and that man can move on and ignore your kids because it's not his kids. He can concentrate with his kids with you, because maybe you are married now, you have got 2 child with that man. Those kids, they are going to benefit. What about that another child in your previous marriage? That child is not going to benefit anything, because you don't work for that. So you have to do, when you saw maybe your husband doesn't like it, or what, do something. Guys, work for your child. Now you have to work for your child in your previous marriage, that child you came with, and you know that it's his kids. He is providing for his kids, you understand, because you already have got kids with that man, and he can do it because it's his kids. But do something for that child, because that child is going to be bitter that my mother was being married. And women, we love, we are very desperate to get married. We forgot kids, that we have got kids in our previous marriage. When you dead, guys, the disadvantage is that you can dead first now. Your kids are going to suffer, guys. Your husband, you are calling your husband, is going to ignore your kids because it's not his kids, you understand. So sometimes, guys, take care of your kids. You know that you're a single mother, you want to get married again, it's not bad, but you get married when you have got something. Don't quit a job because you want to get married. You have to know that you have got kids, you understand. That child is going to suffer. Maybe you have got properties together with that man. You know that man can sell properties when you are dead most of the time, and your kids are going to suffer. So you have to do something, especially to that child you came with in your relationship. You know that you have got kids, you understand.